Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to easily block any softwares and system updates from using internet in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application named as EasyWinConfig by the developer Paliceware. And on the first list you will see the developer website. Just click on it. Now you can see the developer web page. You can read some instructions if you want to read, and on the right side you can see here releases. Just click on it. Now you can see here below two download options. One is for 32-bit and 64-bit. So if you're using a 32-bit, then download the 32, and if you're using a 64-bit, then get the 64-bit. So right now I'll download the 64-bit. So finally the download has been completed. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract the zip file. Now just open the extracted folder and just double click this software to run this software. So you can see this kind of user interface, right? So it's a very minimalistic software, so you don't get so much of options, so it's a very straightforward. So right now you can see the Windows update service is running. So if you don't feel like enabling the Windows update, then you can just click on this turn off. Now your Windows update service is stopped. Now if you check for updates also, it will not start Windows updating unless and until you turn on this option again. And the next option you can see here, block access. So under the block access you can add various softwares or any programs. So say in order to add, just click on this add. So you can add a name here. So let me add a name Chrome. So let me browse and locate to the folder where I have installed my Chrome web browser. So I'll just select the Chrome web browser, and after selecting just click on apply, click on OK. Now your Chrome web browser is blocked from using your internet data connections. So and next to it there is a custom DNS also. If you want to set some custom DNS, you can set it. So right now I'll just keep it as it is, and there is one more option, put sec disk. So you can just turn it off also if you don't feel like enabling this option also. So once you are done with your settings, what you need to do is just move your mouse cursor to the Windows Start menu icon and just go to the power option, and you need to restart your computer. So let me click on restart and we'll check if this settings really gonna works or not. So finally I have restarted my computer. So now let me try to open a Chrome web browser and let me try to open one website, say google.com. So you can see the site can't be reached. So Chrome web browser has been completely blocked from using internet connections on your respective computer. So if you want to enable it again, just open or run the same software again, and the options which you have turned off you can just turn on again. Say I have turned off the Windows update also. Let me turn on again. So my Windows update service is running right now. Let me go back to the other option like block access. So here I have added a Chrome web browser. So I'll just select it, click on remove, click on OK. Now you can close this software. Now you need to restart your computer again. So let me restart my computer again and we'll check if it really gonna works or not. So finally I have restarted my computer again. So let us try to open the Chrome web browser again and let us check if we can use the internet connection or not. So let me try to open the google.com. So finally you can see we can access or use the internet connection right now. So let me click on image. So it's perfectly working fine. So using this cool software named as EasyWinConfig by Paliceware, we can easily block any softwares and system updates from using internet in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool software, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.